What's up, guys? Tony here. Hope you're doing well. It is Sunday, November 26th, and I want to talk about Bitcoin as well as Coinbase. But really quick, Bitcoin here surged past $9,000 today. I was watching it closely yesterday, and I thought maybe there would be some correction as it was peaking near 9,000, but it just keeps going up. And today it hit an all-time high of peaking at $952. So definitely going over the 9,500 mark. It looks like we're headed for 10,000 guys by the end of the year for sure. And as you can see here, there was a bit of a drop off, small correction. Mostly people probably cashing out, selling their Bitcoin and getting some profit there. But it's still hovering around 9,400. And I expect probably in the coming weeks and as we wrap up the end of 2017, it's going to go back to, or I should say it's going to hit 10,000. So great news if you're holding Bitcoin. I hold some Bitcoins. I'm happy about it. Now, should you sell some of your Bitcoin? You can, if you're looking to get some cash for the end of the year, you want to take out some profits, I would recommend doing it, but not a large amount. I would still hold the bulk of your Bitcoin long term. So maybe you sell about 5% or so, and hold the rest, guys. Hold the rest. The analysts are saying it's gonna hit probably 15,000 next year, and it could probably go higher because the market's very bullish right now. And it's really crypto market is very much in its infancy. And as futures trading for Bitcoin gets launched and hedge funds and Wall Street gets involved, you can expect the price to keep going up. And there's going to be speculation being done on Bitcoin. So I would recommend holding. We could probably see a $20,000 Bitcoin next year for sure. So hold on to the majority of it. If you want to sell and get some profits right now, go for it, but keep the majority of it. And the other news I want to talk about, which actually is as really a result of the growth of Bitcoin, is Coinbase. So if many of you will know that Coinbase is an exchange where you can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin very easily. It's a US-based exchange. So let me actually show you the website here. Buy and sell digital currency. Super easy to use, very user-friendly. Is it the best exchange? I would say no, but for a beginner and those who are new to crypto, I think it's very simple and straightforward to set up. Very easy to use interface. But for example, I use like Bittrex and Bitstamp. So those are more like intermediate and advanced users, people who know what they're doing. But Coinbase is a great place to start if you're new to crypto because it's very easy to use, and it's also a site that you can trust. It's been around for a while. They have a lot of users, and it's really one of the leading exchanges, in which people are signing up on. And news came out that the number of users on Coinbase surpassed that of Charles Schwab. So if you haven't heard of Charles Schwab, it is a investment brokerage firm where you can create an account and you can also, they handle retirement funds and things like that, but you can do some investments in stocks and so forth. And Coinbase surpassed that, which is amazing. Now take a look at this chart. And actually, before I could do that, the amount of users Coinbase has is 13 million, and the amount that Charles Schwab has is 10.6 million. So really showing that crypto is not a fad, or Bitcoin's not a fad. People are interested in investing in it. Now, here's a chart that shows the correlation between the price surge and growth of Bitcoin versus the accounts on Coinbase, the amount of users signing up. And you can see they run in parallel almost here. The people are just signing up, and that is primarily driven by Bitcoin. Now, don't get me wrong, people are signing up to buy Ethereum and Litecoin and so forth, but we know primarily it's from Bitcoin. Now, with regards to the Coinbase and Charles Schwab news, that's not to say that the assets in the accounts on Charles Schwab's are smaller. They're actually there could be more assets and worth more in currency in a sense of worth more than what's in the Coinbase accounts of many users, right? Because sometimes you have new people who come on board, they're a bit hesitant, they don't know about crypto, they're hearing about Bitcoin, people are saying invest in it, and they may be spending $1,000 or 500 or 100, whatever whatever is comfortable for them. And I believe for sure the assets are bigger or stronger in Charles Schwab, but it's showing that this is not some sort of fringe, once again, or some sort of fad, Bitcoin or crypto. So it's a good time to be in crypto, guys. It's a great time to own Bitcoin. It's just going to keep going up, and big money, like I've been saying in my videos, big money is coming to Bitcoin. So you should be holding some Bitcoin. I hold, just in full transparency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, XRP, and some other altcoins, but my majority of my holdings, my portfolio is in those four coins. Largely in Ripple, because I see the lasting potential there, and I would Ripple, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. So that's what I'm holding. I'm curious what you guys are holding, what you think about Bitcoin surging past 9,000, what you think about the Coinbase news. I would love to hear what you guys think. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Thumbs up this video if you like this content, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos on Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, and the blockchain. Talk to you guys later.